Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start this video with the quickest way to check the serial number, and then I'll show you a slightly longer way. However, it is still useful if for some reason the quicker way won't work. So let's start with the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you a longer way. Simply enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's tap on this section, highlighted section Model, and as you can see, the serial number will appear right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.